You're changing the vowel. Okay. No, no, no. You're changing the vowel. This is something that's very important to understand. This is going to both YouTube and Instagram. That's for sure. Wow, oh my God, this is so fucking crazy. I'm gonna fucking cry right now. Holy shit. Your voice, it's improved a lot, actually. It's not the mic. It has nothing to do with the mic. Write it down right now. Your voice has a lot more density. Okay, and that's a result, that's a byproduct of what you've been doing. Okay, you're using a good condenser mic, right? You're not just using a webcam mic.
Yeah.
And before, it was like and you would do a Kermit thing and whatnot. You would do that. Like, you can go back and watch our lessons. But right now, your voice is so much ring and ping and resonance, and that has to do with what we've been doing. So this is really, really good. Say this for me again. Let's try this. That's a wonderful sound. There's a lot of density in that sound. Okay, and with what we've been doing, how many lessons we had? Okay, let me actually check real quick. Okay, give me a sec.
This is 12.
This is 12th lesson. Okay, let me verify that real quick. That's right. This is our 12th lesson, and we've been doing lessons 2 times a week roughly until that the trip you did. But other than that, we've been pretty much doing 2 times a week lessons. So it took you about 12 lessons to actually find your chest was like this.